In a tavern late at night, where shadows softly creep, we rallied for adventure, a promise bold to keep. With swords drawn and hearts high, we ventured down the lane, but fate would soon unravel through feathers drenched in pain. Oh, the dungeon walls were echoing with tales of horror's might, yet never did we reckon we'd face a clucking fright. Through corridors of darkness we stalked with swords in hand, but they came from the shadows, the avian death command. Killer birds of the dungeon, sharper than their beak, we lost our brave companion, plucked away so bleak. But we'll rise against the feathers, we will not be dismayed. With valor blazing brighter, our legacy unmade. Through the clocks of the dungeon, sharper than their beak, we lost our brave companion, plucked away so bleak. But we'll rise against the feathers, we will not be dismayed. With valor blazing brighter, our legacy unmade. Through the cross and cause, we swore that we would fight, revenging fallen comrades, igniting passion's light. One by one, we stilled them, those foul with wicked grins. For every feathered demon, a sense of justice spins. Oh, killer birds of the dungeon, sharper than their beak, we lost our brave companion, plucked away so bleak. But we'll rise against the feathers, we will not be dismayed. With valor blazing brighter, our legacy unmade. In the echoes of our friendship, his laughter lingers still, a bond that transcends hardship. We strike with iron will. So onward, brave adventurers, with memories as our guide.